2024 finalist. Ahan pamaksara mana kasige traditional attire si lip to bisuna topiri bani. Marak sida ekoige Miss Alule Daimai Miss Orange 2019 past runners-up mahaksu masige marak sida ekoi na biring tabiri aduga akon pa stopper performer oina Miss Stella Thonawdam Duwa Miss Femina India 2023 second runners-up nasige kajakarba adugum daba traditional attire asi mayam di mafamda perform tawi pagkinabang organizing committee traffic amuka at tagat sa bani kasige traditional attire presentation asi GL collection room oblique kabuhi traditional